So for the exercise, when we do the selection on second degree neighbors, we just want to add to the selection. So if we have selected first degree neighbors and then we trigger another action, it should add to the selection that is already there in the layer. So here you see that in the last one, you are selecting it by IDs. And here in selecting it by IDs, you see that you can define the behavior of selection. And it says that you can select type, like you can say selection type. You can allow adding to current selection, remove from selection. So all these things, the behavior you can control if you define it. So just try this one.
Yeah, once you implement it, what we want to do is, if we have selected the first degree neighbors, when we click the second degree neighbors, it should add to selection, not remove the existing selection. So it should just add the second degree neighbors to the first degree selection. So go and figure out what's the correct option in the method to change the behavior.